So recruitment, why is this important for your business? So often what happens is we think about recruitment when somebody resigns, and given that they only need to give 1 to 5 weeks notice, or sometimes a couple of months, that doesn't give you much time to scramble around and fill the vacancy. So first thing is important is to clarify, why do you need the position? Is it because somebody has left you, or is it because you're growing, or there are some changes in the business? So think about why you need the position first of all. In terms of recruitment, there are 5 key components: brand, position description, search, screen, and interview. So brand, that's all about you and your business. So the great question to ask yourself is, would you work for you? And why would you work for you? Why would you work for you as the business owner, the manager? And why would you work for your business per se? So at that point in time, it's about identifying who your ideal employee is. Who do you need for your business? Part-time, full-time, fixed term, a replacement maternity leave? So think about who you need, why they would work with you, and your brand. Is your brand consistent and delivering the message that you want it to be? Then we get to your position description. This is about clarifying what you actually need. So what will the role be doing? What skills and experience do you need? Will they be managing and leading people? If they are, it's crucial that they have those really key leadership and behaviours that we're looking for. What's the environment? Are they working in an office? Are they working at home? Are they working out on the road all the time? Because that's really important in terms of their behavioural style, the way that they operate best. So make sure that you clarify that. Where might they have ideally come from? So what would be their background in terms of where they're going to come from, what experience they will have gained, and what value that will add to your business. Then we need to find them. Social media, social media, social media. It's all about technology. So job boards, seek.com.au, My Career. There are numerous job boards out there. Not very expensive and very fast. People have alerts set up so they get notified when their ideal role comes up. LinkedIn. We know that 95% of Australian professionals are on LinkedIn. So you need to make sure that you're putting your ad out there as well on LinkedIn. Tap into your network. Let people know what you're looking for. No different to business development, you're constantly recruiting. So let people know who's ideal for your business. When they come across them, they can refer them to you. So you've got a pool of people ready to go when you need them. Then you need to screen them. So you get your applicants coming in. Really important that you do a phone call first. Why? Because the person is generally not expecting the phone call. It's not like a structured interview in that you pick up the phone. You get to hear what they sound like on the telephone. You ask them the questions that you would typically do. Why this job? What are you looking for? How does it fit? What's your salary expectations? A great way to do some screening is on the phone. Then when you get your people in for an interview, most important that you have a structured process. Same questions, same process for everybody that comes through. Most important that you make them feel comfortable. Whilst it's an assessment, it's not a test. We want them to be their natural self, so we get to know who they are. I would always leave the interview with the person being able to say, when I walk out of here, have I got everything that I need to be able to make an informed decision? For me as the person that wants to come and work for you, and for me as the interviewer, the business owner, making sure that you're right for my business. Not just that you can do the job, but that you're right from a cultural perspective. Leave the person at the end of the interview knowing what it is that they need to do. What happens next? First of all, go back to, why do I need this role? Why do I need it for my business? Who's ideal? Take the time, go through a structured process, and have a bit of fun along the way.